Hi, everyone. My name is Hila Shaviv. I'm the inventor, the founder, and CEO of Gals Bio, where we are developing a solution not for only one problem, but for a whole series of problems. We are practically developing a new branch in women wellness and health, and one that we like to call smart tampons. Yeah, red. Ah. Okay. Okay. I got it. Thanks. Okay, so this presentation is PG-13. Warning is said. Okay, so most of you are not familiar with this problem, but I'm sure you know somebody that is. This is called nighttime bleeding. 20% of menstruating women actually do not have any hygiene device that can handle their monthly bleeding. That's why this is an occurrent event every month for 40 years of their life, because they have nothing that can handle the amount of their bleeding, and this is, usually they wake up in the middle of the night to change their hygiene device. Okay, so now let's play an imagine game. Imagine that you are an FBI agent and you get into a scene, and this is what you see. And you ask the husband, "Where is your wife?" And he says, "I don't know, she's missing." And you ask him, "So what is this?" And he says, "That's not blood, that's menses. It's nighttime bleeding." So this is an actual story that happened in 2012. And that ignite a first in its kind research. They discovered, the NIH, that there are 385 unique biomarkers within the menses that are not available in any other liquid in the body. Biomarkers for cancer, for endometriosis, and a lot more. And what are we doing with this monthly biopsy? We simply throwing it away, and medical health for women is late and not efficient and very expensive. So the solution for all of this lies in this small device that we call Tulipon. Tulipon is basically a combination of a tampon and a menstrual cup. It collects the menses for 12 hours with no leakage, but it's disposable, but it is sustainable. It's easy to use, and for the first time ever, we are actually using the menses to monitor and health women. Our first two biomarkers from the 385 are vaginal pH and menstrual amount. Surprisingly, the first thing that changes with women's body, with women's health, is her menses. So you will see if her pH is wrong for STD and all kinds of other problems, and menstrual amount will change if there is fibroids, polyps, and many more. This is our future. This is actually a new branch in women's health. We can do so many things from the vaginal cavity. So far, we did in Israel a safety and efficacy study, and as you can see, the results are very good. And here you can see a used Tulipon device. This is how it looks like. Our market, without going into the numbers, I'm sure you understand, it's a huge numbers, regardless to how you look at it. This is a little bit about our competitors. This is our business model. We're gonna sell a device, a pack, at the same price as you're buying today, regular tampons. Why? Because we only need 8 units, because this is for 12 hours, unlike regular tampons that are for 3 to 4 hours. We just received money from the EU as part of the Horizon to research endometriosis. We actually started sales just a little bit for research, because there was never a device that could be used to research menses, and now there is. This is my amazing team. I wouldn't be here talking to you without them. And that's it.